Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. My name is Atin Siti Masito. I am a student at Universitas Terbuka, Faculty of Teacher Education, Elementary School Teacher Education. This is about my family diagram. This is my father and my mother. My father is Mr. Endang. He is a farmer. He likes to plant rice, vegetables, and chilies. He is a retiree from his job at the Highway Construction Service. My mother is Mrs. Anna. She is a housewife. She often helps my father gardening. They have 3 daughters. The first child is called Ainur Hayati. She is my first older sister. She is a housewife. She often helps my parents gardening. She is married to Cecep Karma. He is my brother-in-law. My sister's husband works as a project leader for highway construction and is also a builder in building a house. They have 2 daughters and 4 sons. Their children are my nephews. The second child is Ade Kartini. She is my second older sister. She is a teacher at SDN Pamoyanan. She has married with Bubun Burhanuddin, who is also a teacher at an elementary school. They are a civil servant. They have 3 daughters. Their daughters are my nieces. And now I am a youngest child of my parents. I am a housewife, but I have worked several times in lead factory. My daily routine is taking my child to kindergarten. Besides that, I am busy taking care of administration of people who want to go to the hospital for treatment, such as taking care of health insurance or taking care of hospital registration. I am married to Dian Herdiana. He is a vegetable trader such as potatoes, beans, chilies, and many others. We have 2 daughters. My first child is named Ristidiana Putri. She is 12 years old. She is a 6th grade elementary school student. And my second child is named Fiona Adara Herdiana. She is a kindergarten student. She is 5 years old. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.